Class with object as a parameter. I'm trying to translate some Python code to Scala code. So I'm a total noob in Python. But why do some classes have object as a parameter but never explicitly use it? What's the reasoning for having it as a parameter in the first place? Example. Thank you for your time.
In Python 2, this declares table to be a new style class, as opposed to classic class. In Python 3, all classes are new style classes, so this is no longer necessary. New style classes have a few special attributes that classic classes lack. Also, properties and super do not work with classic classes. In Python 2, it is a good idea to make all classes new style classes. Though a lot of classes in the standard library are still classic classes, for the sake of backward compatibility. In general, in a statement such as foo is being declared as a class inheriting from base classes base 1 and base 2. Object is the mother of all classes in Python. It is a new style class, so inheriting from object makes table a new style class.
The table class is extending a class called object. It's not an argument. The reason you may want to extend object explicitly is it turns the class into a new style class. If you don't explicitly specify it extends object, until Python 3, it will default to being an old style class. Since Python 3, all classes are new style, whether you explicitly extend object or not. For more information on new style and old style classes, please see this question.
Class table and class table object are no different for Python. It's not a parameter, it's extending from object, which is base class like many other languages. All it says is that it inherits whatever is defined in object. This is the default behavior.
Just a note that the new style versus old style class distinction is specific to Python 2. X, in 3. X, all classes are new style.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.